Because everything has changed now, every country is racing to try to figure out how to become a producer of something. And where most of these countries are not hitting the mark is things like tourism, stuff like this. But also with people, that means there was a reset. There was a reset in money. And what I mean by that is because the world shut down, it forced technology to accelerate faster than it was supposed to, or it was intended to. And if you was a person just working a 9 to 5 job or working for a company, and I'm not saying this is a bad thing, you were busy. Like you didn't have the opportunity to be on different trainings, go to different seminars, see the things that were in the working as the world was slowly opening back up. And this is how I was able to actually accelerate how much financial literacy I started understanding. And this is how I was able to start getting financial literacy from people who most of us don't have access to. I'm just going to be honest with you about it. And now because I know who they are, it's easier for me to just consume all of their information